In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Microsoft Store purchase history in Windows 11. It's a simple process, but knowing where to go can save you a lot of time, especially if you need to track your purchases or just want to review your spending. So let's dive right in and take a look at how you can easily access this information. First, you need to begin by navigating to the Microsoft Store. You can do this by opening your browser or directly using the Store app on your device. Simply head over to the Microsoft Store's homepage where you can download apps, games, and much more for your Windows PC. This is your starting point, and getting here is as simple as a few clicks. Now that you're on the Microsoft Store page, the next step is to sign in to your account. You'll find the sign in button in the top right corner of the screen. Make sure that you are logged into the correct Microsoft account that you used to make your purchases. This is crucial because your purchase history is tied to the account under which they were bought. So go ahead and enter your login details if prompted. Once you're signed in, return to the Microsoft Store homepage. This allows you to verify that everything is set up correctly and that you're signed into the correct account. Skipping this could lead to unnecessary confusion, especially if you have multiple Microsoft accounts. Next, turn your attention to your profile icon, which should now be visible after signing in. Click on your profile to access further options. It's usually located at the top corner of the window or next to your account name. You'll see a variety of options here, but what we're interested in today is accessing your billing information. So go ahead and click on Order History. This selection will redirect you to a new page detailing all your past purchases. Here you can review each item you've purchased, see the download dates, and check any relevant billing details. This is your digital paper trail of all the content you've paid for and downloaded, and there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully navigated through the steps to view your Microsoft Store purchase history in Windows 11. This straightforward process gives you easy access to your transactions and can help you keep track of your digital spending and downloads seamlessly. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to drop comments if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.